Question number 18. Spike Equino is the CEO of private medical equipment company that is proposing to sell 100,000 shares of its stock in an open auction. Suppose the company receives the bid in the following table. So these are the tables in which the company have received the bids. It clearly visible from this table that the issue was oversubscribed because we have more bids than the number of shares offered. So what will be the company's total receipts from the sale if the auction is discriminatory? So in discriminatory auctions we charge the price as quoted or as bidded by the investors. So we'll sell 20,000 shares at 80, 10,000 78, 15,000 at 73, then 25 at 70. So we need a total of 100,000 shares. So to calculate, to complete a 1,000 shares, we need the first 20,000 shares. Then we will use the next 10,000 shares. Then we will use the 15,000 shares. Then we will use 25,000 shares. Then we will use 10,000 shares. Then we will have 8,000 shares. Then we will need 12,000 shares. So from these 14,000 shares, we will need only 12,000 shares. So this will be our 100,000. So these shares will remain unsold plus 2,000 from here. So if we do the discriminatory auctions, so what we want to calculate is the total receipts. So we will keep multiplying it until we reach the total amount. So for the first 20,000 multiplied with 80. Then for the second 10,000 multiplied with 78. For the third 15,000 multiplied with 73. Then the fourth 25,000 multiplied with 70. And then sixth will be 10,000 multiplied with 69, and the next is 8,000 multiplied with 67, and then lastly we have 12,000 shares at the price of 66. So to sum up how much total receipts will be, we will just add all these numbers and these will be the total receipts, right? 7.2 million. So this is part A. In the part B, what if the uniform price? In the uniform price we charge the same price, and that price will be from this lot. So all the shares will be charged the same price, which will be 66. So uniform price from uniform price, it will be 100,000 shares at a price of 66. It will be 6.6 million. In practice, would investors tend to be more cautious in their bidding in a discriminatory or uniform price auction? Generally, in the discriminatory auctions, investors tend to bid more conservatively. They are more cautious because there is a risk of winner's curse, and they can easily overpay if they bid higher. They will be allocated shares because their bids are too high, but uh, they might be buying shares at a premium. In the uniform auctions, this winner curse uh, eliminated because the price, uh, the discriminatory prices will not be charged, and you will be charged the price at which the total all the shares will be sold, and that price will be charged. Like in this examples, the price charge will be 66, no matter if you have uh, bid it for 20,000 shares at a price of 20, but you will be charged 66. So there is a less chance of overpaying. So people buy, people bid more comfortably in the uniform auction pricing.